Hey there, ravers. This is Darren Young here with DOS Audio. You're here at InfoComm 2023, and this beauty right behind me is a part of our very exclusive 11 Sound series. It is manufactured by DOS Audio in Valencia, Spain, where we manufacture all our great products. Very unique product. This is called the ES-158. ES stands for 11 Sound. You have a single 15-inch driver tucked underneath. You have an 8-inch bullet dome and then a 3-inch high-frequency compression driver. These cabinets can be coupled together in groups of 2 or 3 and flown or vertically stacked. The horn is rotatable, so depending on your dispersion needed for the room, you'll get the perfect coverage. It is sitting on top of the ES-221. It is a dual 21-inch sub. They are in a clamshell or V-shaped configuration with ports from the front all the way to the back of the cabinet to give you that maximum throw and low SPL that's needed for clubs. This was a partnership between the 11 Group, which runs the very world-renowned 11 Sound. It's the highest grossing nightclub in the world. 24/7, aka Team No Sleep. So shout out to 11 for partnering with us on this. And if you want to find out more about this, make sure you go to 11 Sound. It's actually the number 11, so it's 11sound.com, and it's manufactured by DOS Audio. You can find us at www.dosaudio.com. Thanks for raving out.